Slow draining sinks and showers are the absolute worst when you're just trying to get through your day, especially when it's all because of a drain slope that's totally off. So, here's the deal. To fix slow draining caused by a bad slope, first check if your drain pipe is angled correctly. It should slope down about 1/4 inch for every foot of pipe. If it's flat or tilted the wrong way, water just sits there and slows everything down. Next, clear out any gunk or buildup in the drain, because even with a perfect slope, clogs will mess things up big time. For DIYers, grab a level and some basic tools to measure and adjust the pipes. If you're not feeling confident, calling a plumber can save you a headache later. Also, avoid dumping grease or heavy debris down your drains, because that just makes the slope problem worse over time. Regular maintenance, like using drain cleaners made for your pipes, can keep things flowing smoothly. And don't forget to check under sinks or in crawl spaces for leaks or sagging pipes that might mess with your slope. One of the biggest mistakes people make with slow draining is ignoring the pipe slope entirely. Water needs that slight angle to flow right, so fixing the slope is key. Another common issue is not addressing clogs before blaming the slope. Sometimes it's just a clog masquerading as a slope problem, so clear those out first. The third thing is trying to fix it without the right tools or knowledge, which can lead to worse damage or leaks. If you're unsure, getting a pro involved is always smarter. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff about plumbing and drain slope fixes. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a solid way to find new clients who need help on projects just like this.